Hi learners, welcome to our another new session. Hope you all are doing very well and practicing your lessons regularly. So, today we are going to learn the name of 10 rivers with their proper spellings and correct pronunciations. So, here we go. Number 1. Nile. N I L E. Nile. Number 2. Amazon. A M A Z O N. Amazon. Number 3. Ganges. G A N G E S. Ganges. Number 4. Mississippi. M I S S I S S I P I. Mississippi. Number 5. Parana. P A R A N A. Parana. Number 6. Volga. V O L G A. Volga. Number 7. Congo. C O N G O. Congo. Number 8. Thames. T H A M E S. Thames. Number 9. Rio de la Plata. R I O. Rio. D E D L A. La.